right, in this next video, we are going to make our last two centers. So if you've watched my other videos, then you know that you have the white and the yellow centers, you have the blue and the red centers. And if you look at your other cube, okay, you know that it goes blue, red, green, and then orange. So next to red is always going to be green. So remember, you have to make the green side. This next space over here has to be green because this one is red. So this will be green and this will be orange. This is the case where we left off after our last video. And what we have right now is they're actually perfectly aligned. It's a little more difficult when they're diagonal, but they are already lined up in twos, which maybe is a reason because of how I was doing the other ones earlier. I'm not sure if they would, or if you might have a diagonal case. If they are already lined up, it's actually really nice because we always want there to be two on another side that we bring into the correct side. So if this is red, then this is going to be green. I already have two green here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my cube so that, let's see, let me turn this back actually. I want my green to be on this side because this is my red side, okay? I want these, I'm gonna line up my green with my green, and actually let me think about that. Do I have that wrong? I think I need to line up my oranges. I think I need to line up my oranges instead. Let me see. I'm confusing myself. Let's see, green, if I send. So again, all of these edge pieces, like all of these can be turned without messing up your centers. I'm just trying to think about which, okay, hold on, I got lost. Blue, red, this is my green side. If I send this, oh, I think I know what it is. It's the orange side. Okay. I'm gonna line up my oranges, that's what it is, even though I'm trying to get my green side here, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna line up my oranges here with my oranges here, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send this orange one up here, which moves the other orange one over here and messes up my blue. But, okay, I'm gonna show you that again. When I move that up here, I'm gonna bring these greens over. So this is my green side. I've messed up my red, but then I'm gonna bring back my green. And now I have all of my centers. So that's just kind of a matter of playing with it sometimes and seeing, oh, I thought I needed to line up my two green, but it was really the two orange. I was really moving them this way instead of, but I'm at this, simultaneously, I'm gonna show you that again, bringing those back. So if this is what you have, this is red, so this has to be green. I'm gonna line up my orange and my orange, because when I send the orange one up here and turn it, I end up putting these two orange over here and then bringing these green back here. So watch, I pulled it orange up, turn it twice, and now I'm going to be bringing those two green back, and I brought the orange back that I had sent over here. And as you can see, I have all of my centers, which I think is probably the hardest part of this cube. And it definitely takes practice, but you can definitely do it.